get to it. First, what happens with our lips? Eh, eh, eh. It is not rounded and it's relaxed. Eh, eh, eh. Next, our tongue. Feel your tongue when you produce the eh sound. Where is it? Eh. Correct. Your tongue is at the front and the position is a little bit high, not too high, just right in the middle. Eh, eh, eh. Also, the tongue is very relaxed. Eh, eh. Good. So guys, let's practice some words with the eh sound. Best, best, best. Get, get, get. Reset, reset, reset. Rest, rest, rest. West, west, west. Test, test, test. Very good. Now, let's practice some phrases with the eh sound. Are you ready? Get the best. Get the best. Get the best. Rest in the west. Rest in the west. Rest in the west. Reset the test. Reset the test. Reset the test. Very good. So, that is it for us today. Again, my name is River. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!